What's going on, guys? It's Justin with Kendall Volkswagen of Bend. First week of November 2018, the year's grinding down. We've had the Atlas out for a year now, and we've got to kind of go over a lot of the awesome features that it has, but we haven't got to talk about any of the kind of practical uses that people are going to use their cars for every day. The cool thing with our cars is we order all of them with monster mats, which are great for Central Oregon, the big rubber tough mats, a first aid kit, and then the cargo blocks. One of the other great features that obviously isn't going to be in the pamphlet or online, but makes a lot of sense for us here in Bend. Your hydro flask fits in the cup holder. Can't find that in many cars, which is pretty sweet. But today we're gonna go and we're gonna check out the roadside kit. So the cool thing too is these are the cargo blocks. A lot of people ask me what these are for. I have a foldable table that I keep in my wife's Tiguan that you never know when you might want to go have a cocktail at a party or at tailgating, doing whatever, having lunch out in the outdoors, having a picnic. But the cool thing too that these come with is we order all of ours with a roadside assistance kit. We got one right here, so it comes with some stuff so if you break down, but the good news is you got roadside assistance, so you're probably not gonna get out and change your own tire. So what I did with mine was change it up, and let's get into that. I'm gonna make a cup of coffee. So we're gonna go over how you make an AeroPress out of the back of an Atlas. We got an AeroPress here. Gonna need a filter. We all like cowboy coffee, but not that much, right? Alright. Got my grinder here. One flat scoot's about 17 grams. I mean, you can measure things, but we're out in the wild today, so we're not measuring it. We're doing it freehand. Let's grind it up. The Atlas has a lot of great features, but probably one of the best features is it's a vehicle for fun. So wherever that's going to take you, making a cup of coffee out in the woods, waiting for whatever. The roadside assistance kit's awesome. Obviously doesn't come with this. This is my personal one. I keep both of them in there though because they are handy to have. But cheers, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions about how to make a road cup of coffee, we'll do it again.
Kendall, let's start something great.